digestion. They are happy partners with probiotics. How many of you know how hot probiotics are these days? Okay, probiotics are a big deal right now. They're the wave. And what are probiotics? Well, they're bacteria in your digestive tract. There are about 1,000 different kinds of bacteria in your digestive tract, and altogether they have 100 times more genes than you have in all of your cells. You got 23,000 to do all the things to put the body together, and they've got 2.3 million. And they make different things. There are some bacteria that make bad stuff. And when that gets into your body, that has effects on your health. And you have good bacteria that make positive molecules. But when you get them in your body, they are beneficial to your health. And where do they come from? In nature, they came from foods. So if an animal, or even a cow in the meadow, if it was eating grass, you know, when I was a kid, we lived on a farm, and the cows had really sweet-smelling breath. It didn't smell like grass. It smelled sweeter than that. And I never gave it much thought until I started working with probiotics. And I remembered. Why? Because the probiotics were on the grass. Every mouthful of grass, they got probiotics in their mouth, and then they worked their way through the entire digestive tract and was helpful to the health of the digestive tract and the health of the cow. So what I recommend people do, they come in capsules. The one I use is you call Super 8. We call it Bifido Plus, Super Bifido Plus. You open a capsule in your mouth, brush your teeth with it before you go to bed. Make sure it goes in all the places where bacteria can go. Then swallow it. Don't rinse your mouth. Go to bed with your mouth full of probiotics. So the omega-3s and the probiotics have a very good relationship. The omega-3s work the probiotics, make the probiotics work better, make them healthier, and the probiotics make the oils work better. The oils improve digestion. They slow stomach emptying time. That means there's more time for food to be digested before it gets out of your stomach and goes to the rest of your digestive tract. So they help that way.